Hey, hey, my Will. Fuck should we do with these niggas, man? Okay, put him in the trunk, put him in the force, change his name to Gump. Soon as I let the window down, you gon' smell the skunk. Legendary, write my name in Rosetta Stone. Yeah, you got a chain, but you a pump. Yeah, I got a pump, I let it rock like pump. 4 pair, triple S's, bitch, you getting stumped. Speeding in the foreign, pockets holding all the humps. Yeah, I'm rich, homie, but I don't know that nigga Quan. Neck on Lagoon, boy, your shit be on pond. Snakes in the grass where we stomach on the lawn. Been a bad boy, bitch, I feel like Marlon. And I'm getting hit in the phone while I'm going. Getting a massage in the phone while I was driving. All black truck, that bitch look like I'm hiding. Took her to the hood, and she mumble, nigga savage. Nigga get a farm and get some cabbage. 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 I be tryna break my bad habits. Diamond sagging on a bitch like Lenny Kravitz. Put you to an end like some credits. Chopper put you up like a status.
What's good, Glizzy Gang? It's your boy Jay Glizzy, and today we got a banger. Yes, sir. Today we got a banger, man. I ain't posted in a while. I say this like every single video, but I ain't posting in a while. I'm, you know, forgive me. But when we was gone, we managed to hit 500 subscribers. Yes, sir. So on some real stuff, I'm so grateful. I thank y'all for making it happen, you feel me? I know it don't seem like a big milestone for y'all. It's a big goal for me because I'm the one that started from zero. I wouldn't have 500 subs without y'all help. I really want to thank y'all. So this is the 500 subscriber special for the people that's coming to this video only for what the title said, how to start and grow a YouTube channel. I just put the time in the description, or I just put it on the screen. Go ahead, go to there so y'all can skip all of this. But I really want to get some shout outs to some people before I go on with this video. First person being Alonde and Olasia. You feel me? They just started the channel. They got like 25 subscribers, and I want to see them make it up there with me. You feel me? I want to see them make it up there with me and further. So go ahead, go to the description. Everybody that I name in the shout outs, I'm going to put some type of social media or something so y'all could go, you feel me, contact them or subscribe, follow them, you feel me, and keep up with them too, because if y'all support me, y'all gonna support the people I support. For real. I want to shout out Tyna Rich, you feel me? It's one of my YouTube partners, you know. We both trying to come up, so go ahead, hit the description, do your thing. Shout out to my boy Chicago Made BJ, you feel me? One of my homies. It's my homies. We both doing YouTube together. I want them to grow too. Subscribe. Go subscribe to It's Just Jay. Channel will be in the description just like I said. You feel me? Go subscribe, and I want y'all to run her channel up too. J Made KMT, he is in Chicago, you feel me? That's another small YouTuber from Chicago. I want to put out everybody in my city on. So go ahead and subscribe to him. Flacco, you feel me? Flacco, he got me real motivated in his YouTube stuff. So make sure y'all go to the, you feel me, show some love. Show some love to the people that I name. And lastly, who I got on this list is Playboy Meek. He got a YouTube channel. He from Chicago. He is small, you feel me? Got a small channel. So go ahead, go to the description, go subscribe to their channels, and follow them on social medias. Follow me on social medias right here. You should be able to see it right here. All social medias. And subscribe if you haven't already, or if you still don't want to subscribe maybe after this video so you can see what I got in store for y'all. But yeah, I want to thank y'all so much for the 500 subscribers. I want to thank my 500 subscribers so much for subscribing, you feel me, and staying and keeping up with this channel. We gonna do big things. Everybody else that I put in the that I just shouted out, I want y'all to go, you feel me, show some love to them though, for sure. But yeah, what I decided to do with my channel, instead of trying to keep it professional, I want to keep it real, you feel me? It's not too many YouTubers on here that's really keeping it real with y'all, so I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I don't want to be too professional. I'm gonna stay professional, but you feel me, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. So yeah, let's get on to the video though. Let's get on to the actual video. And the people that skip to get right here, I'm kinda, you feel me? I'm kinda mad that y'all skip to get right here, but you feel me? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Alright, y'all are here today to learn how y'all can start y'all own channel and grow it. You feel me? From scratch. Now it's a lot. It's a lot to, you feel me? It's a lot to handle when you do YouTube. It's a lot to handle. So you can't think this is just something you could just do. You definitely can't think this is just something for some money. It's gonna come to you slow. Long term guap, you feel me? But if this is just something you like to do, bro, YouTube gonna be for you, bro. Or if you just learn how to like it, YouTube gonna be for you, man. You just gotta keep up the work. But instead of just talking about it, I'm gonna really tell y'all, like really tell y'all how y'all can start your own channel and grow it. So let's go. Okay, so the first tip, you wanna have good branding for your channel. You gotta have good branding, you know. That being the profile picture, your profile banner, your about me section. You know, you gotta have your descriptions looking good when people check your description. Basically, your branding is like your first impression. If you got some type of thumbnail thing, you gotta stick to it, make it look good, you know. Make sure you got good branding, you feel me? If you got some type of logo, make sure you implement that logo everywhere so people know that's your logo when they see it whenever you do blow up. Branding also being your profile's name. If you making a YouTube channel, you want a good little catchy name or something, you know. I know Jake Lizzy, I made this a little bit. I changed my name so many times on YouTube. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I've been doing YouTube for a long time. But like, I'm just not like really taking it serious. I changed my name so many times over the years. So you might be that person like me. Change your name so many times. Like now I might even change it. But nah. Try to get you a catchy name. Something that's simple, you know, they could type it in. But yeah, y'all, branding, you feel me? Branding is a big thing with y'all YouTube channel. Y'all wanna make sure y'all most definitely get that value. Alright, so the next thing is called finding your niche. You feel me? You gotta find what type of videos you wanna make. Let's say you wanna do clothing, fashion. Then you got be subcategories inside of that, which you could, you know. But like, that's just making it easier for you to pick out ideas for your videos. You can't just make your channel like an all-around channel. That's kind of what I do, but it will get sloppy. But it will draw in more viewers, but it's just gonna make it a little bit more sloppy. But you feel me? You keep doing. As you first starting, you could try everything, and once you find that video, bam, that click, people liking it, people loving it. Then keep that with your channel, you feel me? That's when you make that a part of your channel. That's when you use your good. That's when you make something happen. If you doing a whole bunch of videos, one blow up, bam, try to keep it around that video for the rest of your videos, you know. Try to make that what your channel is about, around that topic. But yeah, make sure you make a schedule, you feel me? Make an uploading schedule so you know what days you're gonna upload, so you can stick to that schedule and you could just actually do it. I have a schedule, but I still don't go by it. But you gotta teach yourself discipline. You gotta discipline yourself so you can make it happen, man. That's all you really need is consistency. For real. With YouTube, you gotta be consistent. If you consistent, you post 100 videos, there's no way one out of that 100 not gonna blow up. It's out of 100 videos, one of them gonna blow. One of them gonna do some type of numbers, you feel me? You gonna get views and your stuff gonna keep racking up, bro. But that's what I'm saying, like, just keep posting, you feel me? Don't ever get discouraged and stop posting. After you find your niche, after you feel me, you got an upload schedule and all that, watch other YouTubes that make videos in the same niche or topic. Let's say I do pranks, vlogs. Find a YouTuber that do pranks and vlogs and try to get some inspiration from their videos and bring it over to your channel so you could, and then add your own, you feel me, flavor to it. So it's not like, you know, you just taking their stuff, but like, make sure you put some flavor to it, you feel me? Put your own stuff to it. Yeah, make sure you watch other YouTubers try to get editing, like editing tips, you feel me? Try to learn different people's editing style so that you could make your own thing, you feel me? Alright, next we're gonna talk about growing your channel. Actually growing your channel, you wanna make sure you're not doing YouTube just for money, because if you're doing it just for money, it's gonna take a long time for you to get some money from this. Make sure this is something that you can do, that you like, you feel me? And you'll be willing to do it for a long time, because there's long-term guap. You ain't gotta worry about the money. That's the last thing you wanna worry about with this YouTube stuff. But yeah. Alright, next I wanna talk about you start a YouTube channel, you know, after you start it up, set it up, all that, make sure, you feel me, you being yourself, man. You don't want to try to be over professional. Like I said, I want to start making my videos more real and stuff. Like, you know, I don't want to be just, you feel me, like a lot of YouTubers, they keep it a little bit too professional, and you be like, man, I don't even want to watch this, bro. This is a little too unrelatable, you feel me? If you watching a YouTuber, you gotta relate to a YouTuber, you feel me? Be yourself and let people attract to you, you feel me? Just be you. It's gonna you feel me? It's gonna work out in the end, you feel me? You ain't gotta worry about people not liking you, because that's gonna happen regardless. So you want to make sure you are able to take good criticism, positive criticism, negative criticism. You got to take it all the same way, you feel me? Sometimes people might say some goofy stuff, but you feel me, you just block that out your head, bro. Don't worry about it. Keep it moving. They gonna do what they do. You do what you do, you feel me? It don't even matter. And if somebody just telling you what you need to work on, you got to be able to take it and use it and fix it, you feel me? Because it's good. That's growth. That's how you grow. So with that being said, you know, you can ask other people about your channel, you feel me? Send them your link to your channel.
Hey bro, how you think about this video? You feel me? You see anything I should probably change?
Editing, audio wise, anything, you feel me? So you could become the best YouTuber you can be. Alright, next, you're gonna wanna be able to do collabs and connect with other people and YouTubers. People like collabs, people enjoy collabs. When it's a lot more than one person, and make the video a lot more live, you get a lot of different personalities in one video. If you can, man, try to collab. I know COVID out and all this, but if you can, try to collab with people and connect with other YouTubers. At least just get to know other YouTubers too. You feel? Discuss different video ideas y'all could do. Next, you wanna be able to communicate with your subscribers and use different social medias on, feel me, all social media platforms. At least 2 or 3, so that if you don't got one, or maybe the viewer don't got one, they got this one though, so they could go check you out on there. You know, you want to be active as well. Don't just have social media and not use it, because it's a good thing. Especially if you're not uploading on social media, you can just tell them like, yo, I can't get no video out, so I'll maybe get a video, let them know, you feel me? So they don't think you just ghosting or going off YouTube. If you're not uploading, at least stay consistent on other social media. Also, you could talk to your viewers and see what type of videos they want. Like right now, for instance, I need some video ideas. Let me know in the comments below. Hit me on my social medias. Tell me what videos y'all want to see, you feel? Next thing, you can film trending video or film videos with trending topics. You can do how-to videos, tutorials, all types of stuff, man. Just make sure if you do a trending video, you feel me, you most likely gonna end up there in that trending section. So make sure you do videos that's popular. You know, you could do a reaction video on something that's popular too. People like seeing reaction. So you gotta see what you really want to do. Film and trending video, definitely a good thing for when you start your channel. Next, you want to be able to make thumbnails, man. You got to be able to make good thumbnails. You know, you could use your phone, you could use apps on your phone, you could use all types of stuff. You could use your computer, use software. What I use personally, I use Photoshop. You could look at YouTube videos on how to make thumbnails. It's everywhere, you feel me? That's another video. Like I said, you can make how-to videos. Like if you would have made a how to make a thumbnail video, somebody that's starting or beginning YouTube may come across your video and watch it. But yeah, make sure you know how to make thumbnails, because that's gonna draw in the attention. That's basically in the branding category. If you making a video, how they gonna know your video good? You hear me? They gotta click on your video first. So make sure you got a good thumbnail. Okay, so when I make thumbnails, I basically think of it as, if I seen this video, you feel me? If you wouldn't click on it, why would somebody else click on it? You know? Alright, lastly, I'm gonna go over equipment. You don't need nothing fancy, bro. You don't need nothing special, bro. You could literally just use your phone. That's how everybody should start off. You could learn how to edit on your phone. That's what I did. Now I got the camera, what you see in front of me, and I know how to edit on my computer, and I know how to record with a camera. You wanna make sure you have good lighting as well and good audio. You don't wanna watch no video with no bad audio or no bad lighting, because then you would be like, man, there's other videos, you feel me? There's other videos for that. If you want to know what camera I got the Canon M50. Pops got this for me. Shout out to my pop. And you know you really want to do YouTube, bro, you can go purchase you a camera. And you definitely want to have a stand or a tripod for your camera or phone, so you can, you know, you can no hands it out. Yeah, that's all I got for y'all boys today. My camera finna die, so I had to kind of rush this video a little bit. Thank y'all. I appreciate the 500 subs. Also, my last video, or a couple videos back, It shot up, it hit 25K. I'm proud of y'all, I'm proud of myself. If you're new and you just seen this video and you learned something, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Comment down below what you learned. Yeah, like I said, that's all I got for y'all boys today. I'm gonna record a part 2 to that last video what I got 25K on. And yeah, so be ready for that. Alright, y'all.